In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check coin supply data on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is one of the most reliable sources for cryptocurrency data. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the ropes of cryptocurrency or a seasoned investor trying to get the latest insights, being able to check this data efficiently is a valuable skill. So, let's dive into the details of how to do it. To start off, make sure you're connected to the internet and open up a web browser of your choice. Once you're ready, head over to CoinMarketCap. It's a website that's easy to access by typing in coinmarketcap.com into your browser's address bar. Navigating this site may seem overwhelming due to the wealth of information displayed on the homepage, but don't worry, we're going to simplify things for you today. Once you've landed on the CoinMarketCap homepage, your next move is to select a coin you want to check the supply data for. On the homepage, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies ranked by market capitalization. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top right corner of the page to find the specific coin you're interested in. Let's say you're interested in Bitcoin, a good starting point for many. Simply click on Bitcoin or any other coin you're interested in. After selecting the coin, you'll be directed to a detailed page that provides extensive information about that particular cryptocurrency. Here's where things get interesting. You will see various tabs and information categories such as Overview, Markets, Historical Data, and more. Look for the Market Cap section on the page. Market cap or market capitalization is simply the total market value of a cryptocurrency's outstanding coins. In financial terms, it's the coin's price multiplied by its total supply. Right next to the specified market cap, there's usually a small icon shaped like a graph or set of metrics. This is the metrics icon, and it's an essential part of the process we're going through today. Click on that metrics icon beside the market cap. This action brings up a range of additional data, including supply metrics. This is where you'll find circulating supply, total supply, and max supply of the coin you selected. These figures give you a comprehensive summary of the coin's supply data. For instance, circulating supply is the best approximation of the number of coins that are circulating in the market and in the general public's hands. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to check coin supply data on CoinMarketCap. With these skills, you can gain a deeper understanding of the coin's market dynamics and make more informed decisions in your cryptocurrency endeavors. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.